Hi, my name is Luke Breville,
And I'm Christopher Dabrowski.
and today we'll be discussing and comparing evidence obtained from the virtual field trip and determining which evidence best indicates that the stromatolites in the Dresser Formation are biogenic.
Our first piece of evidence is the rocks located in Site 2 of the Stromatolite Creek. From this area, we can see that there are ribbons of volcanic ash on the stromatolites, which likely killed and preserved them. This indicates that there was a local volcano nearby which changed the geological setting of the area. Furthermore, the stromatolites being present indicates that life was thriving in the region. Hence, volcanic activity may have been a source for the prosperity of the stromatolites due to its rich nutrients it emits.
Our second piece of evidence comes from Site 1 of the Barrett Curl Jokic. From Figure 1, we can see a complex of branching structures, which may indicate that these are microfossils, which is seen closer in Figure 2. Furthermore, Figure 3 and 4 show that the site has experienced geothermal activity in the past, as shown from the presence of ash shards. Thus, if the rocks here contain microfossils, they would have most likely formed into geothermal vents.
Our final piece of evidence, in contrast to the first two, shows stromatolites in areas that have not experienced much or any geothermal activity, as there is no evidence for it. Evidence 3 comes from Site 1 of the Brewick locality, where the sedimentary rocks paint a picture of a watery past, as there are pebbles, rippled sand, and starburst crystals, which point to the site most likely being under shallow water, where Earth's earliest organisms would have thrived. The wrinkly stromatolites show evidence of microfossils forming organisms and water interacting with the surrounding rocks.
In conclusion, the environment approximately 3.48 billion years ago in the Dresser Formation had underwater volcanic activity and shallow water. This is evident through volcanic ash located in microstructures, starburst crystals, rippled sand, and the morphology of stromatolites. Moreover, evidence 3 provides the best results over the other two because it accentuates that stromatolites formed from archaeobacterial organisms that thrived in shallow water.
Evidence 1 and 2 both indicates geothermal activity which may have formed stromatolites chemically, whilst the stromatolites in evidence 3 were formed biologically, as there was no other way for them to form. Hence, evidence 3 has the best representation that the stromatolites in the Dresser Formation are biogenic.
These are our references.